What's up, guys? Effortless Rollers here. Today is Friday, April 29th. I had to look up what date it is, 2022. Throwing up the cockpit. I have confirmed a bird that is a roll down, and he is rolled down 2 days in a row, so he will be moved out. He will be moved out. As we all know, food is getting more expensive for the birds, and keeping a roll down bird is not going to be a positive note to have. So he will be gone. He will be gone. No sense in holding that. But yeah, guys, going through the birds, flying them hard. They actually came out really good. They were up high, but the hawk was after them, and I gotta throw feed in the other birds, so throwing feed in the birds, and I thought they went up, but I guess they didn't. They stay low. And like I said, you know, I got a low flying family. This is a low flying family. I mean, look at that. They're like twice the pine tree height, you know, so they're not up high at all. This is why I say right in your face. But the thing about it is, when they're this low, they don't commit to the roll. So we need them up. We need them up so we can actually see them commit to the roll and watch them do what they gotta do. But you know, I'm out here flying birds, enjoying them, and you know, putting them up for the hell of it. But they've been flying for a while. I just decided to come back and record them and see what they can do. But missed a lot of the actions. But like I said, I'm not planning to do much with these birds. I'm only going to select the good ones and move forward with them, and then the other ones I'm just going to do whatever. But alright, guys, just want to record a little bit for you guys, show them off just a little bit. They were working it hard. They've been flying for like 25 minutes now, so I'm just putting them up and seeing what they can do. But it's kind of windy, you know, weather's nice. I believe it's in the 50s today, so we will see what happens. But yeah, this is it, guys. Oh, man, you can barely see them in the sun. You can barely see them in the sun. But yeah, hopefully everybody's having a good season so far. Good luck to the guys flying the Nationals. 11 bird. You know, everybody who's flying it. Minnesota, Region 4A, we're going to be flying this weekend. So good luck to the guys here. Hopefully we bring the trophy back home. You know, Molly did it last year. He took the trophy home. And, you know, just wish nothing but good luck to everybody out there flying. And enjoy your burst to the fullest. Guys, this is my first time flying like in the afternoon. And I have no idea how the sky's like. But something's spooking them up right now too. So we'll keep our eyes open and see what happens. But yeah, good luck to the guys out there that's flying. If I have time, I'll come out and support. And sorry to those who I can't come or make it to your fly, support you. But you know what? I support everybody in this hobby. Whether we see eye to eye or not, you know, it is what it is. And but you know what? At the end of the day, we're all roller buddies. We're all roller brothers. And let's put them up and support each other, guys. This is a team effort. Everybody plays a role. So alright, guys. Oof, sorry about that. Take it easy. Effortless Roller, we out.